In this video, we solved the Rubik's Cube by only 2 moves. Don't forget to like and subscribe before starting the video. Now we have to scramble the Rubik's Cube. Here, you can use any method to scramble Rubik's. Well, at this stage, you have to make a side line like the video and a smaller cube. Try to move forward exactly the same as the video. Here, if you look carefully, we have a smaller cube with red, blue, and yellow colors. Here, you have to hold the Rubik's Cube in your hand so that the lower left side line is on the left side, and use the big U and big R movements. Repeat this process until your cube is solved. As you can see, Rubik's Cube is solved. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and until the next video, goodbye.
I don't really know what comes next. I'm just doing my best, even though I'm so stressed out. Everything just feels like a test that I fail, so depressed.